And good afternoon to everyone watching this. This is probably the first analysis for the 2025 year. And yeah, I've been away and I've been doing a lot of things, and we have not looked at gold in a very long time. I remember the last time we looked at gold was around about when we had this drawings right here, and I said I'll be back to do another video, but I have missed out. As you can see, a lot of movement, but I've been watching, as you can see, on my current activity. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna start a fresh analysis for you for gold. So this video is dedicated to gold. We're gonna do a gold analysis, a top-down analysis. I'm gonna start off from the daily time frame, and then I'm gonna move over to the 1 hour and talk about what I see on this market. So first of all, I've cleared my chart. I have a clean chart and I've zoomed out as far as I want. And now I'm gonna do a highs and lows analysis. So this is practically marking out my highs and my lows. So this is going to be the lowest point that I'm going to analyze the market to, even though it's very far, and the market coming down here is going to take a long time. So I don't think this is really a significant level, but this is the level that I'm going to be using as my lowest point. So from here I'm just going to mark out my highest points and my lowest points according to where the market has been changing its direction. Yeah, so here we go for that. So basically I don't wanna over analyze this, so I'm just gonna leave it. We're gonna move down to the smaller time frames, and then we're gonna still add zones if need be. But overall, as we can see, this is the direction that the gold market has been taking. We have been in a bullish run for a very long time, as you can see. Like, even if I had to zoom out, okay, I'm gonna disturbing a bit. Oh, come on. Okay, you can see from October since 2022 the market has been buying strongly, and this has been a corrective move, I believe. Before that, even, okay, looks like a consolidation. And then from October, November 2022 the market has been going in a bullish run, but we are currently focused on the current movement, not the past as far back. So I'm going to clone this, and I'm going to just put this as a resistance level, and okay, and that is clear. So now I'm going to go down to 4-hour time frame. Still, this is still on my higher time frames, which is my directional time frames, and then my smaller time frames, which is the 1 hour, and sometimes very scarcely, should I say, the 15 minutes, but I stick to the 1 hour as far as a better alternative for entries for me, because it's less crowded and it gives me a clearer view of what I am viewing, is what I'm looking at on the market. So here we go, we're gonna add more zones. As I can see, the market turned there, and this has been really a strong zone that the market has been playing with. Like I said, we don't want to add too much. Maybe one more won't hurt. There we go. I don't want to add too much. I don't want to confuse the analysis. Another trend line, as you can see, from January 2025 the market has been buying strongly, and this is the 3rd month. So this is where we are currently. Let's just clone that to see where our resistance zone is gonna be. Ooh, this one is a little bit tricky. Okay, so it looks like the market broke out here to the upside and then pushed up, came bounce off the trend line again, pushed up, hit a fake out inside the trend, went out again, and then set. But if you have to take a closer look, we can pull this back to here, and then what we can do is zoom in just a little bit. Okay, that's good. And then we can take from here up again, which is another zone, and then just clone that for resistance, and then see. Ooh, okay, that is not respected as much. Even if I have to like pull it down here, then it'll work. Some people have a problem with me analyzing the way I do by cutting some of the chart, but the thing is, I'm looking for the most touches on my trend line. So if you can take a closer look here, I have my first touch here, my second touch right there, third touch right there, and then the fourth touch right there. Sorry about that, elements clashing in each other, but this is the most touches that I can get off my trend line, so that is a valid trend line for me in this case. I'm going to remove this. and then I'm going to stick to what we have. So this currently is irrelevant, so I can remove my drawings right now. So I'm going to take it away. So this is what we're focusing on right now. I can see what the market is doing, and judging by the previous analysis that I've done on other markets and all that, I can say that the US dollar is gaining strength. So what does that mean? That means that the gold is going to be going down in value. So okay, there is roundabout something. So this is what I'm gonna be looking at for this coming week. Mind you, this is a news week, so we have a lot of CPI, we have PPI, not a lot, but we have CPI and PPI coming up this week, so it's gonna be a haywire of a market. I might record those reactions of the market on CPI and PPI and post it on my YouTube, but I'm still gonna see. So this is what we're looking at. I'm looking at a bearish gold for this coming week. Why do I say that? Because we have few evidences. Let me just highlight it for you. Here we have a high, and boom, we have a lower high. Even if you have to look at the lows, here we have a low, and here we have a lower low. And the market has been up there for a while. Another pattern that can show, that can back my theory, is right here. We have this, what we know as the double top. So it looks like this. One, two. So that is one of the theories. So I use this patterns, the double tops, the double bottoms, the head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders. I use those patterns as a trend reversal type of patterns. And currently gold, overall, look, overall gold is gonna be buying. It's in a buying channel, a massive buying channel, and I'm not arguing with that. But looking at this trend, this small trend, we have exhausted this move till the resistant trend line. So what's gonna happen from now onwards is what I expect gold to be doing, a reversal. So this is what I'm seeing on gold. We're gonna be doing this. We're gonna be doing this, and then probably like here, we're probably gonna move to the upside from this. So that is what I'm expecting on gold, because overall it's a buy, and then somewhere around these two zones, I'm going to be expecting gold to take a major buy again. I'm not saying overall gold is going down, 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 down. Yes, it's going to be correctively going down for a while, but then from there, I expect gold to be pushing up again. So let's see what the entries are going to look like for this coming week, or the opportunities that I'm looking at for gold during this coming week. So right now we are on the 1 hour time frame, which is finished the daily and the 4 hour. So what I'm gonna do is my strategy is based around breakout and retest. So this zone, the market would not break above it, and then here's another one that I'm gonna be looking at, which is gonna be a key zone in the market this coming week. Here's another one. Here's another one. And there is just like a little bit of what I'm going to be looking at. So what I expect the market to be doing here, as you can see, this is a major consolidation going on right now. So I expect the market to maybe push up a little, but overall come down here, sit there, go in there, and then shoot down again. Oops, what is it? Okay, so I expect the market to be shooting down. So my entries, I'm going to be expecting them right here. So what I'm going to do is, once I complete this video, I'm going to leave this drawing right here. And then I'm going to see like, okay, stops are going to be like somewhere there. And then I'm going to push for TP1 is there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this drawing on, and I'm not dictating where the market is going. This is just the evidences that I've found in the market. So I'm going to leave this drawing right there. And then we're going to come back on the next video for gold. We're going to have a look at what is going on in gold, because this is what I expect gold to be doing. So I'm going to leave this here, and if it triggers me, I'm going to see if I can record it. If I can record it, I'll do so. But I'm going to leave this drawing here, just a reminder to see what we have anticipated gold to be doing. And there is my entry trigger right there. I'm going to wait for it. Today's Saturday, we still have Sunday, and then Monday morning the market is going to start moving. Hopefully by Tuesday or Wednesday we're going to see this move play out. If it doesn't, I'm still going to come back leaving the drawings, and then I'm going to take a look at it from there. So yeah,